Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry with Simpler Trading, and as you head into your June witching expiration, you're one of a couple of mindsets, and one of them could be looking for short-term, short premium kind of plays. So if you've been watching Netflix, you probably saw on last Friday how I closed just a couple dollars away from 500. It's a large psychological price point, right? You've got traders that, maybe you buy it at 490, it comes to 5, you sell it at 510, it kind of comes back in, and ultimately you're creating this range or this oscillation around the big round number of 500. This is amazing for premium sellers, and as you get into tomorrow, what you are very likely to see, provided the indexes aren't totally wild, right? If you have a huge amount of volatility, these ideas can go completely out the window. But if you've got a normal kind of environment, look for us to open somewhere, within $5 or $6 of 500, and then be drawn towards that price point. So, you can try and sell premium outside of it. You can try and sell premium through the short straddle. And then as you get into the end of the day, as it becomes more and more apparent that Netflix will close at that price, you work on pocketing the difference of, what the initial credit you took in. So those are the pinning kind of plays of, one of many that we've been focusing on and that you'll take into tomorrow. Then there's the other way of looking at the market, where I think you want to be especially careful heading into next week, right? The strength in the dollar is really kind of throwing a wrench in a lot of correlations, and it's a warning sign that you want to carry forward. At the same time, it is extended, and it's just to say, okay, if the dollar comes back in, we'll probably return to some sense of normalcy, and if I'm still trying to buy equities as the dollar pulls back, well, then the other way of thinking I would have you carry forward are bigger swing trades. Look at MCD. Now, maybe not the most exciting name immediately off the bat, but what I enjoy about this is analyzing the trends that led us here, right? It actually does trend pretty well. This move was great. This move back in here, basically straight up. So I'm considering the idea that for the next, maybe it's a couple of months, we could sit here and trade sideways, but into the end of the year and into the beginning part of 2022, I think you might look at some of those further dated calls. At the very least, we make a move to a new lifetime high within that time frame, and then depending on how it trades, you manage in between. But that's a little bit of a longer term swing pick that I wanted to give you, and I hope you find that helpful as you form your trading plan heading into tomorrow and the second half of the year. So have a great night, and we'll see you at the next free video.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me